So this is a loading technique to the front part of the shoulder. So that's roughly on top of the shoulder, roughly right here. You're going to need a ball. You're going to place a ball against the wall. So the method that you can use is more of the seek and destroy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sandwich this ball against my shoulder, and then I'm going to scan around and try to seek the area that's sensitive. Once I find a sensitive area, I'm going to hold it there. And then in order to destroy it, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to apply more pressure into it until it desensitizes and melts away. So I'm going to take a breath in, exhale, and add a little bit more pressure into the ball. The second technique you can use is more of the pin and stretch. So you're going to do the exact same thing. I'm going to pin down the tissue that's sensitive. I'm going to hold that position, and once I hold that position, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stretch it by turning my palm inward. So as you can see, I'm twisting my hand in and I'm twisting my hand out while I'm applying pressure to that area that's sensitive. So the other variation that you can do with the pin and stretch is you're going to find the area that's sensitive. Once you find a sensitive area, sensitive spot, you're going to pin it down by applying more pressure and more weight into it. And then you can take your straightened arm and lift it up off of the wall, but still making sure that you pin that ball against the wall with your front shoulder. And just hold that position until it melts.